Hi there. The westerlies are returning, and that means a return to cooler and more changeable weather across the UK, particularly for northern parts. But we keep the very warm air in the far southeast and East Anglia on Thursday before this cooler air from the west-northwest sweeps countrywide by the end of the day, all tied in with a unseasonably deep area of low pressure, which is going to bring unseasonably strong winds across western Scotland and Northern Ireland during Thursday afternoon. Wind gusts into the 40s miles an hour could affect some ferries and bridges in western Scotland, and also bring some very unpleasant weather for June if you've got outdoor activities, outdoor events taking place. Take note, those winds are going to be strong. They're going to be combined with spiralling bands of rain and showers across Northern Ireland and western Scotland. It's also going to be breezy in the east and northeast of Scotland, but for Shetland, some heavy, perhaps thundery showers will be moving through during Thursday afternoon. We've also got some showers for Northern England, the odd shower for Wales and the southwest as well. More cloud here, and certainly a cooler feel compared with recent days. But we keep the sunshine in the east and southeast, or at least for part of the day, and temperatures still reaching 26 to 28 Celsius before cooling off later in the afternoon as the very weak front marked by this area of cloud goes through. Once that's through, clear spells for the evening for the east and southeast, and temperatures falling away, but not particularly cold. Elsewhere, we've got further strong winds across northern parts of the country as the low moves across Scotland, and further spells of rain, especially for the far northwest of Scotland. Showers for Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northern England, parts of Wales. 1 or 2 showers for the southwest of England, but mostly dry the further south you are. And with those clear spells, temperatures will fall a bit further compared with recent nights. In that cool air, we're talking about 12s and 13s generally. The breeze helping to keep the temperatures higher than they would be otherwise, but out of the breeze could see temperatures falling to 6 to 8 Celsius in some sheltered spots. So certainly a cooler night, a more comfortable night for sleeping for those areas that have been particularly muggy recently. And then we start off Friday with some fine weather in the south, some early sunshine. The cloud will tend to fill in, but mostly it's dry across South Wales, southern and central England. 1 or 2 showers for North Wales, but more frequent showers into Northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland. Showers mixed with bright spells compared with the more persistent rain that we're seeing on Thursday here. The more persistent rain now confined to the far north of Scotland, where it will stay windy, although the winds tending to moderate a little elsewhere. And it's another cool day. Temperatures certainly a marked downturn across the southeast compared with Thursday, and continuing to slide down for the southwest as well as Wales, 17, 18 Celsius here. But similar temperatures in the north compared with Thursday, because of course we're already in the cooler air here. Now into Friday nights, those showers will continue for a time in the north, clear spells further south before another area of cloud and some outbreaks of patchy rain turn up for the start of the weekend. So we're back to a westerly influence, Atlantic dominated weather for the foreseeable future. That means cool and often changeable, particularly in the north, but there will be some drier and brighter and warmer interludes, particularly in the south.